What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a Thai style bean salad. This salad is really fresh tasting and zesty, a perfect side for any meal. It'll definitely spice up your old boring vegetable routine. Let's get started. First thing you'll have to do is trim up and blanch some green beans. If you have long beans, those are great. If not, regular green beans work just as well. I trim the ends off and then cut them up into about 1.5 inch pieces. To blanch your beans, fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Throw your beans in the boiling water and cook them for about 1.5 minutes or until they turn bright green. We still want these super crunchy, but just a tiny bit cooked. When your beans come out of the water, immediately transfer them into some ice water to stop the cooking. Set them to the side to chill out while you work on the rest of the salad. The other veggie you're going to need is a tomato. I'm using cherry tomatoes today, but if you don't have them, you can cut up a regular tomato as well. I just cut the cherry tomatoes in half and they're good to go. I also cut up a serrano pepper into big slices. Any sort of spicy pepper will work here. You'll use the pepper to taste. Then slice up some garlic. This does not need to be minced because we're pounding it in a mortar and pestle next. But if you don't have one of those, cut the garlic and pepper smaller and make the dressing in a bowl. To the mortar, I'm adding some brown sugar, the pepper. I'm only using half because this one was really spicy, and the garlic. Pound it up until the garlic and peppers are smashed into the sugar, almost like a paste. After that, add in some black pepper, the juice of 2 limes, some fish sauce, and rice vinegar. Mix it up and set it to the side. Once the beans are cooled, transfer them to a plastic bag to beat them up a bit. Since I don't have one of the big mortar and pestles that Thai cooks use to make big salads like this, I'm going to do it my own way and it gets the job done. Get the green beans in the bag and close it up most of the way, but leave a little gap to let air out so the bag doesn't blow up on you. Get out your rolling pin or something heavy and start whacking. Let out some of that stress and hit those beans hard. We want to smash them up so they open up a bit and crack at the seam so they can soak in the dressing better. Transfer your beans to a bowl. You can probably see how much they've been smashed a little better here. And add in your tomatoes and roasted peanuts. I just toss some peanuts in a hot pan to get toasty and then add them in. After that, pour in your sauce and toss everything together. Put it in the fridge to let all the flavors meld together for at least 30 minutes. When it comes out of the fridge, I topped it with a few more toasted peanuts and some crispy shallots that I had in my pantry. Those are just an extra plus if you have them. I'll dig into this as a salad on its own or as a side with rice and an entree. It goes great with my Thai Style Crispy Omelette that I'll link at the end of the video. I love this salad. It's so crunchy and beautiful with a great hit of heat and acidity. Let me know how you like it, and please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen. As always, you can find the recipe in the description box below. Thanks for cooking with me. Bye.